Hello all. In this session, I'm going to explain about the sustainability, that is especially in India. So it comes under module 1. So here we will study about the introduction of sustainability and also the need and concepts of sustainability. Okay. So first of all, so what is sustainability? Okay, so it means like we are like dealing with a day-to-day life with our basic necessity. So here it means meeting our own basic needs without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Present and future, we are concentrating on both. So in addition to the natural resources, we also need social and economic resources as well. And also this sustainability is just, not just an environmentalism. It is embedded with many social equity and economic developments also. Sustainability means it is not about only the concentrating on environment or health. It is dependent on the social equity and also on the economic development. And also sustainability, this sustainability has initiated from since 1992, and also in the under environment and development department, and also which called upon governments to develop many strategies under this development, and also incorporating the policies with outline of declaring many things concerning of economic and also the social concern. And also this rapid growth has had an impact on everything around our, including air, water, everything. So there is a the repair technologies have came up with plenty of the different projects and alignments, which is like the carbon capture and storage systems, household water purification devices, like initiating towards our natural resources. We need to utilize the natural resources more. Can I know what is to compare with the other artificial things? We need to consume the natural resources. And also the more efficient irrigation methods, the wastewater disposal, pollution prevention, everything came out. And also what is the scenario? For example, like immediately steps are essential for the protection of the nature. And also the primary function of such a sustainable is to conserve our nature and to protect present also and also for our future. So that is about sustainability. And also need and what to say, the concept about the need, like what is the use of the sustainability, why we need this sustainability. The motivation behind the sustainability are, every time it is very complex and also personal and also diverse. And also it is unrealistic to create a list of reasons, because it is very much dependent on the individuals, groups and the communities which are working towards their goals. And also most people like sustainability to the kind of future we are leaving for the next generation. Definitely whatever we are doing, the things, it is definitely dependent on our next future. Everything we are just doing for our next future, for us as well as for our future. And also sustainability is shared by many individuals and organizations who demonstrate this value in their policies, like everyday activities and also behaviors. Individuals have played a major role in developing current environmental and social circumstances. The people of today, along with the future generations, must create the solutions and they have to adopt. That is a main concern of the need and the concept. That's why they've included the concept of sustainability. The concept of sustainability is to approach everybody, talking about in a period when environmental problems which are caused by to our human activities, it will be giving a serious solutions. Definitely we have to find serious solutions, because in a different ways the goals of sustainability has most often been the physical preservation of human activity societies, and also the activities what they are doing and their culture, and also culture factors. It's all depend on their own individual. So finding sustainability in that is a main goal of each and everyone, for ourselves and also for the future. And science have given the proof, like teachers opens the way of understanding how the world of nature works, but has been successful in explaining the human behavior. That is a main thing of the the speciality of sustainability, and also need of our sustainability. And three pillars of sustainability, next one, these are the main three pillars in our sustainability, that is economy, environment, and the social community. First will come under the environment. It means like we are all living with means of natural resources, right? So to live in this true environmental sustainability, like we need to make sure like we are all consuming our natural resources, maybe such as material or energy or fuels, land, water, many things, at a very sustainable rate. But some resources are more abundant like than other things, and also like therefore we need to consider our the material, whatever the scarcity we are dealing with, and also the damage to the environment from the extraction of these materials. And these if the resources are kept with some principles, then definitely we can utilize for a present and also for a future. And also this environmental sustainability should not be confused with full sustainability, which also need to balance economy and social factors. Next will come for economy sustainability. Economy sustainability requires that a business or a country uses its resources efficiently and responsibly, so that it can operate in a sustainable manner, and also to provide operational profit for everything. Like without an operational profit, a business cannot sustain, and also its activities. So without acting responsibly and using its resources efficiently, a company like will not be able to sustain. So the human communities, like whoever the working around the globe, are able to maintain their own independence, and also to access to the resources, and also they require the financial things and other to meet their needs. And economic systems are very much induced with activities which are available to everyone, such as to secure our lives. So that is about our economy sustainable. And also about social sustainability, like universal human rights and basic necessity are everyone, each and everyone, we need that human rights and necessities, who have access to enough resources in order to keep their families and communities healthy and secure. That is the main aim of social community. And healthy communities have just leaders who ensure a personal or laborer, and also the cultural rights. Each and everything we have to respect it, and all people should be protected from the discriminations. That discrimination should not be there. Everyone should be treated equally. That freedom should be maintained. And achieving that social sustainability ensures that the social well-being in a throughout the country or any organization or any community can be maintained throughout the long time. Next one is basic strategies. In these basic strategies, we have many strategies to maintain the sustainability. In that, strategies to improve reflectivity, that is for all factors regarding the ecological, economic and social sides of their behavior, and also strategies to reinforce self-organization and participation, that is the people and the group which is concerned for political decisions, those are supposed to become political actors again. So, and poorly organized groups were not able to express their needs or interest in the political circle. So that should not happen. And strategies for interest harmonization and conflict regulations, particularly like agriculture sectors, like economically motivated restrictions on property rights and new environmental policies cause the winners and losers. So their feasibility should be there for such concept may be lacking if mechanisms to deal with conflict of distributions and also underdeveloped. And the last one is strategies for innovation. Here they provide the possibilities to create the processes of searching and learning in society. During the process of achieving sustainable development, and also they may help to reduce or even to avoid the conflicts between the different objectives which constitute this sustainability, and also corporate the things in a good manner, and approaches to be cope up with the environmental problems on the regional level. So could be the example for the innovation. Thank you.